Hi, my name is Hamza. I'm the co-founder of Letswork, which is a community of co-working spaces around Dubai. We partner with hotels and restaurants around the city to create beautiful, inspiring spaces for freelancers, for entrepreneurs, for startups, and other sort of larger companies as well to get out of the office and work from these beautiful venues. We offer unlimited tea, coffee, water, Wi-Fi, 20% discount off the food, reserved seating near plugs, free parking, all these amazing perks for very affordable and flexible packages. So we started this startup because we realized that a lot of people were working from cafes, for example, and spending too much money, or they're buying membership in other co-working spaces, or buying even offices as well, and spending a lot of money on that, but not really having that flexibility. So we're trying to bridge the gap between affordability and flexibility, and providing people with venues across the city. We have 11 venues as of today, and you have access to all these venues, and you can bring your laptop and get to work. We're very early stage right now. We just launched on February 1st last month after doing a beta testing of the platform at the end of last year. So we're growing very quickly. We have over 100 members at the moment, and we plan on really conquering Dubai and the rest of the UAE, and hopefully the rest of the GCC as well. I'd say, I don't know, like really innovative ideas that really change people's lives, that really make people think twice about what they're usually doing. At the moment, we have companies and employees working in old cubicles, and it's 2018 now, and I think it's great if people sort of start rethinking the way they do things, and do try something new for a change. I think that's something different. Step's been really good. Step's been super beneficial for us. We've met a whole bunch of people. There's some great talks happening with a lot of interesting people who are coming, either potential members or potential people we can partner with. So it's been a really positive experience so far.